By the end of this video, you will know how to change your Gusto password. If you are already signed in to Gusto, start from the main account view and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, click your profile icon to open the account menu. This menu includes the account options tied to your personal settings. From that profile menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look at the left side or the section labels on the page and make sure My Profile is selected under Personal. This is the area that contains the account details related to your profile rather than company-wide settings. Once My Profile is selected, move down the page until you find the Account section. This section includes the sign-in details for your Gusto account. In the row labeled Password, click Change. That opens the Change Your Account Password window, where you can enter your current password and the new one you want to use going forward. In the Current Password field, type your existing password exactly as it is currently set on your account. This confirms that you are the person making the update. After that, click into the New Password field and enter the new password you want to use. Gusto requires the new password to be at least 8 characters long, so make sure it meets that minimum before you continue. Next, go to the New Password Confirmation field and enter the same new password again. This second entry needs to match the one you just typed in the New Password field. If the two entries do not match, Gusto will not be able to save the change, so it is worth taking a brief moment to check that both fields contain the same password. When all three fields are filled in, click Save to update your account password. After you select Save, Gusto will apply the change to your account. From that point on, the new password becomes the one you use when signing in. If you are updating your password as part of a routine security check, the key detail to watch is the password length requirement and the confirmation field. If you are changing it because you no longer want to use the old one, the process is the same. The only information you need to provide in this window is your current password, your new password, and the matching confirmation. Thanks for watching. Your Gusto account password is now updated.